Global authorities have reacted with alarm to a coronavirus variant detected in South Africa, with India, European Union and Britain among those announcing stricter border controls as scientists seek to determine if the mutation is vaccine resistant. Following the pattern of Greek code names like the Alpha and Delta variants, the new variant has been named Omicron by the World Health Organization. Unlike Delta, it has a mutation known as the S gene dropout. It was first detected in South Africa when the scientists found a small number of variant called B11529 on Tuesday in samples from November 14th to 16th. According to the South African scientists, the early signs from diagnostic laboratories suggest the variant has spread rapidly. So how is it different from other variants? To put it in simple words, the more the virus spreads, the more the chance it has to mutate. The virus changes in a way that helps it to survive. Omicron has 10 mutations compared to just 2 for the Delta variant that swept the world. But more mutations simply does not mean it is bad. What actually matters is what those mutations do. WHO says this variant has a large number of mutations, some of which are concerning. Preliminary evidence suggests an increased risk of reinfection with this variant as compared to other variants of concern. On Saturday, a UK scientist who advises the government said the vaccines are still likely to protect against the serious disease from Omicron. Following concerns over Omicron, Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked the state officials to review plans for easing international travel restrictions and underlined that intensive containment and active surveillance of new COVID-19 cases should continue in clusters reporting higher cases. During the high-level review meeting on Saturday, Modi also highlighted the need for monitoring all international arrivals, their testing as per guidelines with a specific focus on countries identified at risk.